5 reasons men leave a relationship. You need to understand why exactly the relationship ended. In most cases where a relationship ends after a slow, frustrating, and confusing finish, there are certain underlying reasons why men leave or fall out of love in relationships. Understanding those reasons will help you work out exactly how to get your ex-boyfriend back. 1. Your goals were incompatible. Maybe you and your boyfriend disagreed on important things that he just couldn't let go. Ask yourself, do you both want kids or don't want kids? Do you both want to live in the same place in 10 years? Do you both have similar career plans that won't get in the way of the relationship? Do you both have similar visions of how you want your lives to pan out? Disagreement on any of these points can be a major deal breaker, no matter how strong your love might be. 2. You didn't know what he wanted from a relationship. According to the hero instinct, men have a built-in desire for something greater that goes beyond love or sex. It's why men who seemingly have the perfect girlfriend are still unhappy and find themselves constantly searching for something else, or worst of all, someone else. Simply put, men have a biological drive to step up for the woman they care about and earn her respect in return. Male desires are not complicated, just misunderstood. Instincts are powerful drivers of human behavior, and this is especially true for how men approach their relationships. So, when the hero instinct isn't triggered, men are unlikely to be satisfied in a relationship. 3. He lost himself with you. Men value their alone time and their man caves, and they need space away from the relationship to be with themselves. When they feel that their partner is taking over too much of their lives, their spaces, and their overall sense of self, they can start to feel extremely uncomfortable. Here are some signs that this might be the case. You've thought about changing or fixing him. He doesn't always want to introduce you to his hobbies or his friends. He has called you out for nagging him. He is shy to show certain parts of himself to you. You find it difficult to get him to open to you. For men, finding a partner who respects whatever boundaries they have is the most important part of finding a long-term partner. 4. The relationship has become an emotional burden. In a healthy relationship, both partners feel equal and happy in the relationship, and there is emotional weight involved. The real situation can be that your man feels he needs to give too much emotionally to you. Whether accurate or not, he feels that it has become his job to ensure your happiness. Here are some things you may have done to make him feel this way. You believe that he owed you certain things just because you're in a relationship. You want him to know what you want without telling him, because you believe that a good boyfriend should be able to understand you better. You've emotionally punished him when he didn't perform the way you wanted him to perform, making him beg for your love or forgiveness. You created an environment where he dreads you at times because he can't predict if you're going to be difficult or easy on a certain day. However, when the love in the relationship becomes outweighed by the responsibility to carry another person's happiness, it slowly drains the value of the relationship until it makes more sense to leave it. 5. The physical attraction disappeared. It's natural for men and women to let themselves go in a relationship. We don't work on our physical appearance like we used to. And it's not just about being physically attractive, we're also attracted to partners who take care of themselves and respect their body and health. Losing physical attraction in a relationship can be difficult to deal with because the love might still be there, but part of what supports the love is gone. These are the most common reasons men leave a relationship. Other than this, we recommend you to read the X Factor Guide. It's designed for women who want to get back together with their ex. This dating strategy is designed by Brad Browning, who shows how to win back your boyfriend. And this program claims to have a success rate of 90% for getting back together with your ex. It's not just a simple getting back your ex guide, it covers much more than that. You will learn how to deal with breakups, mend your relationship and get back with your ex. Based on various The X Factor Guide reviews, the X Factor Guide is very effective and employs a simple approach that is easy to understand for individuals from all levels. You can download the guide from the link in the description below for only $47. Thanks for watching.